Eskimos. There's a college known as Wawa. You should hear those college boys. Gee, they make an awful noise when they sing an Eskimo tra-la-la. They've got a leader, big cheerleader, oh what a guy. He's got a frozen face just like an Eskimo pie. When he says, come on, let's go, though it's 45 below, this is what those Eskimos all holler. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream, rah, rah, rah. Tuesdays, Mondays, we all scream for Sundays, this, boom, ah, boola, boola, zapparoola. If you've got chocolate, we'll take vanilla. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream, rah, rah, rah. Colleges may come and go, but the world will never know any other place like Oogie-Wawa. Harvard, Princeton, Brown and Yale, football teams will all turn pale when they play a game with Oogie-Wawa. Those Eskimos look mighty tough when they took the field, and people said, ah, here's a team that never will yield. Then mid-Goran flying fur, just to show how tough they were, all those Eskimos began to holler. I scream, you scream, we all scream, for I scream, rah, rah, rah. Frosted, malted, pepper, malted, eat, boom, bam, oh, Simone, oh, Tony, and confidentially, sweet Sarony. I scream, you scream, we all scream, for I scream, rah, rah, rah. I get a ratio, I get a patio, because it always